Just what is advanced Java? What are the topics I'm going to cover? I given. How many editions of Java is there? How many editions? 4. What is the first one? Java SC. Second one? Java EE. Third one? Java ME. Fourth one? Java FX. Okay. Total 4 editions of Java is there. Say Java SC full form Java Platform Standard Edition. Java EE full form Java Platform Enterprise Edition. Java ME full form Java Platform Micro Edition. Java FX full form Java Platform FX. Okay. So Visual FX, we are writing like a FX only, like that only Java FX. See, according to Sun Microsystem, there is no core Java, there is no advanced Java. There are only 4 editions of Java is there. Okay. Java SC, Java EE, Java ME, Java FX. 4 editions of Java. See, why Java called a platform? You studied in core Java class. Okay. Java Platform Standard Edition, Java Platform Enterprise Edition, Java Platform Micro Edition, Java Platform FX. 4 editions of Java. Now, core Java. Core Java is a part of which edition? Core Java is a part of Java SC. Okay. Core Java is a part of Java SC Standard Edition. Advanced Java is a part of Java SC and Java EE. Okay. Core Java is a part of Java SC. Advanced Java is a part of Java SC and Java EE. 2 editions. Okay. See, according to Sun Microsystem, there is no core Java, there is no advanced Java. According to Sun Microsystem, we have 4 editions of Java. Java SC, Java EE, Java ME, Java FX. Total core Java comes under Java SC. Advanced Java comes under Java SC also, Java EE also. 2 editions, Java SC and Java EE. Okay. Some topics comes under Java SC, some topics comes under Java EE. Which are the topics comes under Java SC, which are the topics comes under Java EE, that information also I given. Okay. See, I given content, advanced Java. First topic, JDBC. This full form, Java Database Connectivity. Second topic, Servlets. Third, Servlet listeners. Fourth, filters. Fifth, JSP, Java server pages. Sixth, JSP using Java beans. 7, JSP EL, JSP expression language. 8, JSTL, JSP standard tag library. 9, MVC, model view controller. Model view controller by using Java Bean, JSP and Servlet. Okay. Next, last one, Reflection API. Application programming interface. These 10 topics you are going to see in this advanced Java course. These topics. So actually 3 topics only. JDBC, these 3 like a Servlets, these all like a JSP. These all integration part is this one. This is not much important. That's what last time I given. I given. Okay. Now here, which are the topics comes under Java SE? JDBC and Reflection API are the part of Java SE, and remaining topics and remaining all topics are the part of Java EE. Up to here I given yesterday. Okay. This is I explained yesterday. That's it. Yesterday I given only this concept. See, core Java is a part of Java SE. Advanced Java is a part of Java SE and Java EE. Here, this is advanced Java content. These all topics I'm going to cover. Okay. These all topics I'm going to cover in this course. In this, JDBC and Reflection API are the part of Java SE, and remaining all topics are the part of Java EE. Okay. I given yesterday for learning advanced Java prerequisite core Java up to exception handling required. Okay, up to exception handling topic knowledge required. At least object oriented programming is mandatory. If still object oriented programming principles not completed, means better to wait for next advanced Java batch. If it is object oriented programming topic completed, means continue. Otherwise you cannot understand. First topic, first concept starts with abstract class interface only. That's what. Okay. Abstract classes, interfaces, packages, and encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, class, object, variables, methods, instance variables, class variables, and local variables, instance methods, class methods, special methods, constructors, and even this keyword, super keyword, final keyword, overloading, overriding. These all required. Access modifiers, these all compulsory. Okay, because core Java is a language. Advanced Java application development. First topic only, first line only, application starts. Directly application part begins. So whatever you learn in core Java, that is programming language. With that language, we can develop applications. That is you are going to see. See, while learning core Java only, many students will ask, sir, where we use real time, where we use in real time. You will use real time here only, you'll understand. Everyday real time only. Okay. Advanced Java, total advanced Java onwards, real time only. First topic onwards up to last topic, real time. But while learning core Java only, people will ask many doubts. Where we use, when we use, like that. That is, you will understand here. Very depth you'll understand. Abstract class, while teaching abstract class, if I explain in core Java also, difficult to understand. But here you will understand. Where we use abstract class, when we use abstract class, interface, abstract method, these all you'll understand here. Every day total advanced Java, total abstraction only. First topic to last topic, abstraction principle appears every day. Total advanced Java abstraction only. Okay, that you will understand. See, still object oriented programming topic, if it is not completed in your core Java class, better to wait for next advanced Java batch. If you attend also, you may not understand. That will be happen. Okay. So object oriented programming knowledge is mandatory to learn advanced Java. Compulsory. Okay. Class timings I given. Class timings 4 to 5:45, like that I'll take. 4 p.m. to 5:45. I'll take. Okay. Monday to Saturday. And course duration 60 to 70 days, maybe 75 days max. I'm going to complete. In core Java also same, maximum 75 days I'm going to complete. Okay, so 60 to 70 days, maximum 75 maybe. 70 days only possible. Sometimes it may take 5 more days extra, but I'll finish. So learning year, core Java also 2 years also I can teach. 2 years only core Java. Only advanced Java also 2 years I can teach. But it is not required for your career. Your target is you want to get a job in MNC. For that, what is required? That is learn enough. Okay. But if you want to do research in Java, 2 years also learn, it is not going to end. Subject is very vast. Not only Java, you take any subject, even MS Word also you take. MS Word, MS Office software is, that is also how much part you know. 5% also you don't know. But you are using MS Office, no? Enough. Whatever required, that is enough. Like that, MS Office also learn 1 year also not finish. That much subject is there, MS Office also. Even Windows operating system also. How do you know? How much you know? 10% that is. About Windows operating system also, so much information is there. Not required. Same style, Java also. Your target is you want to get a job. For that, what is required? That is learn enough. After getting a job, again learn. It is not going to end. Okay. Subject is very vast. Subject is very vast. So if I teach 2 years also, time waste, no use. Your target is what purpose you are learning to get a job. That purpose, what is required, I'll teach. That is 70 days enough. Okay. 60 to 70 days enough. So in that duration only, I'm going to complete. Possible. Enough. And but you should be very regular. You should practice more and more. Okay. Here, so many softwares required. In core Java, what you have seen, first day onwards up to last class, only one software, Java Development Kit. That's it. Okay. Here, I'll teach Eclipse also. Okay. Eclipse also I'll teach. And for learning these server-side programs, servers also required. Tomcat server required. Eclipse required. Now database also required. Oracle database. JDK required. So JDK, Oracle, Eclipse, and these all. Browser also required. Server also, Tomcat server. These all required. Same programs, whatever I'm teaching, as it is, if you practice in your laptop or desktop, again you may get errors. Same program as it is if you type also. Problem may be with server. Problem may be with browser. Problem may be with Eclipse. Problem may be with and Oracle. Problem may be with Java. Problem may be with your mistake, your program mistakes. That mistake also you cannot understand. Problem is where it is. That is the reason compulsory you need to practice. Otherwise, it's not possible. Lots of practice required. Okay. Lots of practice required. Versions compatibility also we have to check. Suppose you are using Eclipse latest version and or Eclipse old version, Tomcat latest version. It may not work. That type of problems comes. So version compatibility also we have to check. Version compatibility also. So Tomcat server, Oracle software, Eclipse software, JDK, Java Development Kit software versions, browser versions, these all we have to take care. So whatever you studied in core Java different, year onwards different. It is complete different. Application development. Only JDBC, first topic, it appears like a core Java type. This total program, Soulets onwards, it is complete new style appears. New style. What you have seen, one welcome program if you want to write in core Java. What you written? Just open Notepad or Edit Plus. You written welcome program. Later Java C demo.java execution Java demo over. But here, these are advanced internet applications. Okay. One welcome program if you want to write. One welcome program if you want to write. First of all, you have to write one Soulet program. After writing Soulet program, that Soulet program is server-side program. For that, one configuration file required. That is XML. XML will add. That file will deploy in Tomcat server. Deploy in Tomcat server. Again, you have to server configuration required in Eclipse. Eclipse configuration, server configuration, libraries, jar files. That is you have to copy paste. After that, from browser you have to send the request. Then response comes from server. That type programming. Because one program, if you write here, that program any number of people at a time from any corner in the world can access. That type of programming you are going to learn. Okay, so your every program we written in core Java, main method, main method. Further here main method is not required. It is completely different. Without main method only you will write. So only JDBC will learn with main method. Servlets onwards, no main method. Main method will not be there. Okay, complete new style. For writing welcome program only, one servlet program, one again we have to deploy, we have to configure server, we have to configure your application. Later from browser you have to send request, then server side executed, that output comes in browser. That type of programming. Okay, that's what lots of practice required. If you don't practice on system, you will not get a subject. Compulsory. Lots of practice required. Okay, so everything I'll take care, how to download, how to install, how to configure, everything I'll cover. But you should be very regular, you should work hard, then only you'll get a subject. But only coming and watching, writing notes, it is not enough. That you remember. Okay, most of the students, what they'll do, they'll come to class very regular, just they'll watch like a movie, they'll write the notes, that's it. What they'll think is, if I write everything, later I can practice, they'll think. Later also you'll not practice. I know about that. Okay, that's what. Put efforts, work hard. While teaching only, first listening important. As compared to writing notes, listening is most important. With that only you'll get a subject. Okay, put efforts, work hard. While teaching, listen. Okay, listen, follow whatever I'm going to give, that is follow. Okay, see, I'll give running notes also. I'll share PDF files in Google Classroom also. I'll share PDF files in Google Classroom. Running notes also I'll give. Running notes also write it. PDF files, one example will be there, and more examples I'll teach in running notes. That I'll share, this is I'll give. Okay, but you should be very regular. You should follow my rules and guidelines. You have to work hard. Then you'll get a subject. Okay, now. See, online students, if any doubts are there, write it in your notebook. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Okay? End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. If any doubts are there, write it in notebook. End of the session, you can write in chat box. See, this is I given yesterday, up to here. Okay? Now, here, what I said, core Java prerequisite to learn advanced Java. Now, that's what I'll do is, some questions I'll ask, give answers. Whatever you studied in core Java. Okay. Now, programming related, not theoretically. Theoretically, if you ask, many people will give answer. I know about that. Okay. Practically I want. Because for learning advanced Java, whatever required, that is I'll ask. That is I'll ask. See, I'll open Edit Plus. Online students also, you have to respond in a chat box. See, for learning core Java, for learning advanced Java, whatever required, very regular, that code, that part I'll ask, that part. Okay. See, it is a class name, open brace, close brace. Already know. Without class, developing applications are not possible. So, class name, open brace, close brace. Without main method, you cannot execute programs under operating system. That's what main method, open brace, close brace. It is common. Now, here I'll write one method. Okay. Here, integer return type, add int a, int b. I written one method. Okay. Now, integer c equal to a plus b. Return c. Now, my question is it instance method or class method? What is? Instance method. How do you know that is instance method? What is it? If static keyword is there, class method. Static keyword is not there, instance method. Okay. Non-static methods are called instance method. Static methods are called class methods. Okay. How many ways to access that instance method? How many ways? two ways. What are those? By using object also you can access. By using object reference also you can access. Now, here I want to call that method by using object reference. That code you fill, you write in your notes. What we have to write? Write. Online students also, you write in chat box. Here I want to write the code for calling that method by using object reference. Your answer can be right or wrong. Try to write that code. In main method code you fill. Okay. Everyone should try. Everyone. Because course completion is not important. You should get a subject. That is important. Your answer can be right or wrong. If it is wrong also, nothing will happen. Try to write. Everyone. Main method code you fill. By using object, call. By using object reference also call. Whether it is right or wrong, we'll see. Your answer can be right or wrong. Everyone should try. Everyone. Online students, you respond in a chat box. Online students, you respond in a chat box. Your answer can be right or wrong. Write it in your notebook. Offline students. This is not advanced Java, core Java only. Offline students, write it in notebook. Online students, write in chat box. Your answer can be right or wrong, whatever it may be. Everyone should try. Everyone should try. Call that method by using object reference. Your answer can be right or wrong. Everyone should respond. Whatever you know, write it. Don't discuss with your friend. Okay, whatever you know, that is try to write. Whatever you know. Your answer can be right or wrong. Try to write. Online students, respond in a chat box. Your answer can be right or wrong. Call that method. If it is wrong also, nothing will happen. By using object also call. By using object reference also call. That is instance method. There are two ways to access an instance method. By using object reference. Now, by using object also call. By using object reference also call. It can be right or wrong. Everyone should try. Everyone. By using object reference, both. Don't discuss with your friends. Whatever you know, that is write it. Don't discuss with your friend. Whatever you know, that is write it. Is it over? Completed? First, online students answers, I'll check it. Say 86 people give an answer. See what they did. Majority people given right answer only for creating object. Creating object only right answer. Okay. I asked by using object. I asked by using object reference. Both. That method is instance method. You can call with object also, with object reference also. Both the ways I asked. Okay. Now, I'll show you. First you see. First you see. Now I'll give answer. Whether you written right or wrong, you check it out. Whether you written right or wrong, you check it out. Okay. Now don't modify first. First see. Okay. Whatever I'm going to give, that is see. What you written, check it out. Okay. See. This is instance method. Instance method means non-static member. A method that is defined as a member of a class is called instance method. For this one, two ways to access. One is by using object, one is by using object reference. Now, don't write, just listen, don't write. Demo D equal to new demo if I write here. Object is right side or left side? Right side or left side? Right side. This is object. Right side object created. Actually, this is called dynamic memory allocation operator. It allocates a memory to instance variables. Constructor constructs the object. So, new constructor, if you write object created, that object referred by D. That object referred by D. What D contains? Hash code. D contains hash code. Nothing but address mapped into another code. That code implemented with hashing technique. That code is called hash code. Now, this is instance method. By using object also you can call. By using object reference also you can call. By using object nothing but new demo dot add, which takes two numbers. Here it takes two integers. Two numbers I am passing, but which returns one integer. So you have to write something here, index. Then system.out.println x. Here object created with this object add method called. So here object created with this object add method called. Two numbers I passed, received here, calculated here, return C, that is returned and stored in X. This is by using object. By using object reference nothing but like this. Integer y equal to d dot add. Like this. System.out.println y. So here object created with this object add method called. And 24, 93 copied in A and B. Result copied in C. That is copied in X. That X printed. Here object created, that object referred by D with the D add method called 88, 45 copied in A and B. Result copied in C. This C copied in Y. Printed. Now, like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This system.out.println, system.out.println y, leave it. This line, this line, this line. 3 lines. How many members written right? Just raise your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23. Online students, 18 students. Online students, just respond. How many people written 3 lines perfectly without single mistake? 25. Okay. You observe how many people written? Very few people, no? Very few. Very few people written proper way. Here online students, see how many members are there? 334. 34 also not written. You have seen. 34 also not written. In online, offline also, majority people, many people not written, you observe. So here what is happening is course completion only completing, but they are not getting subject. Reason? Learning style. Learning style major role acts. So myself I am teaching, yourself you are watching, that is only going on. That is the reason it is not possible. That's what every day I'll interact with you. Here with your answers I'll write the programs. I'll teach first. I'll ask questions. You have to give answers. When you can give answer, if you are perfect in this topic. Object oriented programming topic, if you are perfect, then you can give right answers. Then application development is nothing. Advanced Java, very easy. Advanced Java, very easy and very interesting. Very interesting. After your own website also, you can make it your own website. Possible. Online shopping, online exams, online results, that type of programs I'll explain. Online login form, registration form, shopping, these all. It is possible. It is very easy. When it is easy, if you are perfect in object-oriented programming, then only easy. Otherwise, hard appears. Okay? That's what I'm interacting. You observe. Very few people given right answer. Very few people given right answer. 10% also not there. Okay? 10% also not there. So, here, you need to put efforts, you have to work hard. You have to put efforts, you have to work hard. Then you'll get a subject. Then you'll get a subject. Okay? Say, a method that is defined as a member of a class. So, it is a member of a class. It is called instance method. For calling instance method, two ways are there. By using object reference. Here object created with that add method called. Then 24 copied in A, 93 copied in B, result copied in C, that returned and stored in X. Here object reference dot add. That's what I'll do is, what purpose I asked this question is to understand total classroom status. That purpose I asked this question. So seeing this, what I understood is majority people, they do not know method calling. It is method calling. Methods only, nothing. How to call the method. Without calling method knowledge, Advanced Java not possible. Every day we'll call methods only. First line to last line, method calling only will do daily. Advanced Java first JDBC program onwards. Every day instance method, class method, abstract, these methods only will call. Everything Java library. That's what this knowledge is mandatory. Okay. That's what today and tomorrow, these two classes, I'll cover Core Java only. Core Java only. Okay. Today class, tomorrow class. Two classes Core Java. Day after tomorrow, I'll start Advanced Java. Okay. Now, first, this knowledge required. You write it. Write it. Instance method. Note down. A method that is defined as a member of a class is called as an instance method. A method that is defined as a member of a class is called as an instance method. There are two ways to access an instance method. First one, by using an object. Second one, by using an object reference. Okay. One time required, we have to use object. Many times required, we have to use object reference. That is also rated. Use an object to access an instance method if it is required only one time. Use an object reference to access an instance method if it is required more than one time. Now, whatever required for advanced, that is I am giving. A method that is defined as a member of a class is called as an instance method. There are two ways to access an instance method. First one by using an object, second one by using an object reference. Use an object to access an instance method if it is required only one time. Use an object reference to access an instance method if it is required more than one time. One time required, use object. More than one time required, use object reference. Okay. At least method calling knowledge is there, then advanced Java becomes easy. Use an object to access an instance method if it is required only one time. Suppose in your application only one time required, select object. If it is more than one time required, use object reference. So instance method nothing but non-static. Object compulsory required. Even if you write object reference also object required. That is the reason only this method is called instance method. Instance is compulsory. Is it over? Here you observe. Whatever I given, I'll explain in this example. See, a method that is defined as a member of demo class, as a member of a class. If we define a method as a member of a class, that is called instance method. For calling this method two ways, by using object reference. Suppose your application requires only one time, use object. If application requires more than one time, object reference. See, here new constructor object created. With that add method called. This 2493 copied in A and B. 24 plus 93 result copied in C. Return C, the C value copied in X. That X is printed. Here object created, that object referred by D. With the D add method called 8845. 88 copied in A, 45 copied in B, result copied in C. It is returned. The return value copied in Y, printed. Okay. Write this program. Example. Write this program. So already written means, whether if you written right means no need to worry. Those who written wrong, complete write it better. Here return type also compulsory. Here returning. So most of the students, they written only this line is right. Demo D equal to new demo. That is all people, majority people written. But remaining lines, mistakes written. Is it over? See here. See, demo class loaded. open brace executed, main method called, open brace executed, here object created. With this object, add method called. Then 2493 copied in A and B. Result copied in C. Return C. That is copied in X. Then printed. Again, object created, object reference created. With that reference, add method called. Then 8845 copied in A and B. Result copied in C. Return C. That C copied in Y. Then printed. So here actually what will be happen, see here. What will be happen, see. This 24,93. It is copied in A and B. So like this data comes. Like this. Then what will be happen here? Int A equal to 24. Int B equal to 93. Okay. Now that here A plus B result copied in C. Return C. This C copied in X. So it is returned. Like this it comes. Then what will be happen? This line is integer X equal to C. That's what, with arguments, with return value, that category name. Methods with arguments and with return value. Methods with arguments and without return value. 4 categories of methods are there. No? Methods without arguments and with return value. Methods without arguments and without return value. So with arguments, with return value. So 24 copied in A, 93 copied in B. Result copied in C. Return C. The C will be returned and copied in X. That's what integer X equal to C. C copied in X. Same style, 88 copied in A, 45 copied in B. Result copied in C. The C returned and copied in Y. Like this it is working. Okay. If you want, you can write this one for understanding. So this 2493 copied in A and B. This C returned and copied in X. Like that it works. Four categories of methods with arguments, with return value. With argument, with return value. 4 categories of methods are there. No? Is it over? Now I'll give one more code snippet. Okay, you have to give the answer. One more I'll give. See. Suppose method name cube, which will take one integer, which will return one integer. Here, integer B equal to A into A into A. Return B. Now, this method you call with object reference only. Maximum times object reference required. Object requirement very less. So, call with object reference. Try to write. Online students also respond in chat box. By using object reference, object usage very less, object reference only required more. By using object reference call. Now object not required, object reference only use. Maximum times we use object reference. Call by using object reference. Object usage very less, object reference only required more. Online students respond in a chat box. Your answer can be right or wrong. Try to write. Call with object reference. Over. Call with object reference. Object is required. Object requirement is very less. Object reference only required more. Is it completed? Completed? Say what you have write. Demo D equal to new demo. Next, int x equal to D dot cube, one number. Next, how many people written right this one? See, now majority people written right. See, first example not written. Second example, after teaching you written. Okay, after teaching you written, but after 1 week if I ask again, you may forget. That is don't do. You have to remember subject until you reach your target, not up to last class, until you reach your target. Okay, your target is you want to get a job in MNC. Until you get a job, remember. After that, leave it. After that, even through Google also you can do it. But first your target is you want to get a job. Okay, so here majority students given right answer. Okay, here I asked only object. How many people written right? Online students, just raise your hand. Online students, raise your hand. Say number increase or no? Okay. Say say here object created, that object referred by D with the D cube method called. This 6 copied in A, result copied in B, that is written, that is copied in X, printed. Okay, so like this you can do it. See, now majority people written right, but this is remember until you reach your target. Okay, now method components. I'll ask some questions, give me answer. Only this part is called method name arguments. What is that? Method signature. It is called method signature. Method signature. This part is called method declarator. Method declarator. Okay, open brace to close brace is called method body. Method body. Method body. Okay, only written keyword line is called, what is? Written statement. Written statement. Okay, this complete, it is called what is it? Method definition. Method definition. This method call, this one is called method call statement. Method call statement. And this only 6 is called, what is, which argument? What is it? Actual argument. Actual argument. This A is called formal argument. It is formal argument. Can I call parameter? Can I call parameter? Yes. Arguments, parameters, synonyms. You can call. Right is all. Note down. Method components also important. Methods are most important for learning advanced Java. For learning advanced Java, methods are most important. Actual, whatever you are passing, actual. Whatever is received, formal. Whatever you are passing, actual. Whatever is received, formal. Once again, a last question, give me answer. Method name and arguments. Method name and arguments is called method signature. Method signature. Return type and method signature. Method declarator. Declaration means abstract method. Declarator, this is. Method declarator. Okay. Open brace to close brace. Method body. Return keyword line. Return statement. Method declarator and method body. Method definition. For calling method definition, one statement I written in the main method. That is method call statement. What are the arguments we passed in a method call statement? Those arguments are called actual arguments. What are the arguments we written in method definition? Those arguments are called formal arguments. Actual parameters, formal parameters also you can call. Arguments, parameters, both are same. Synonyms. Okay. Arguments, parameters, both are same. Just synonyms. Now, is it clear? So, method name and arguments is called method signature. Return type method signature called method declarator. Open brace to close brace called method body. Return keyword line called return statement. Method declarator and method body, this complete is called method definition. For calling this definition, one statement I written, method call statement. What are the arguments I passed here? Actual argument. Whatever the argument I passed here, formal argument. This is actual parameter. This is formal parameter also you can call. Okay. Now, one more code snippet I'll give. You have to give the answer. Okay. Suppose integer max, which will take 2 integers. If A greater than B, return A, else return B. This method called by using object reference. Write this one. By using object reference. Your answer can be right or wrong. Everyone should try. Everyone should try. Is it over? Now, this method I want to call by using object reference. What we have to write? Give me answer. Demo D equal to new demo. Next, it is returning. It is returning. So index equal to D dot max. Two numbers we can pass. Next, how many people return right? So almost majority people. Okay. Very good. Online students. Okay. So online students, how many people given response? 60 members, almost max, but 300 above is there. Actually, they are listening or not listening also we cannot see. Okay. Online student, that is the problem. Suppose if I ask question, how many people are listening also, how many people respond, you see. How many people are listening class, just respond. Just raise your hand. How many people are listening class? Just respond, just raise your hand. How many people are listening? That number definitely less than that. So you observe. That means remaining people listening or not also we cannot see. That is what I asked. I didn't ask Java. Whether you are listening or not listening, I asked. See, 171 members listening. Still 171 not listening. That meaning. That is your responsibility, whether you are listening or not listening. Because online students, I am not responsible. That is your responsibility. Write this one. Written right now? Okay. So, here, if I give like this, how to call method? That method body not important. Calling is important. Because like that type of methods, lakhs are there in Java library. That is we have to call in advanced Java. That's what this method body not important. This calling line is there, no? That is important in Java. Okay. Already know how many categories of methods? 4 categories. In Java, methods are divided into 4 categories. Right is all. First one, methods with arguments and with return value. Next, methods with arguments and without return value. Third one, methods without arguments and with return value. Fourth one, methods without arguments and without return value. See, 4 categories of methods. Methods with arguments and with return value, methods with arguments and without return value, methods without arguments and with return value, methods without arguments and without return value. 4 categories of methods are there. Which category methods, whatever you have seen? First category. Okay, with arguments and with return value studied. Is it over? So 4 categories of methods are there. Methods with arguments and with return value, methods with arguments and without return value, methods without arguments and with return value, methods without arguments and without return value. See, like this will be there. First category with arguments will pass arguments. With return value, like this return value comes. Second category with arguments will pass arguments. Without return value, it will not return. Third category without arguments, with return value, only returning. Fourth category without argument, without return value, no sending, no receiving. Like this, 4 categories. First category, sending will be there, receiving will be there. Second category, only sending will be there, receiving will not be there. Third category, only receiving will be there. Fourth category, no sending, no receiving. Like that, 4 combinations. Okay. Now, whatever I have given 3 examples, you have seen first category. This type you have seen. Okay. Now, little bit I'll change. Second category I'll you now. Say this program only. Here I'll write void. Void means it doesn't return. So no return keyword here. System.out.println A. Here. System.out.println B. Now this method how to call? Give me answer. With object reference. Write this program. Write that, complete the code. How to call that method? Write it. It is not returning. It is not returning. This method not returning. It is with arguments and without return value. With arguments and without return value. See, online students, what they are doing, you observe. HTML code transferred. HTML code. What I asked, what he returned. It is with arguments without return value. With arguments and without return value. Is it over? What do you write? Give me an answer. D equal to demo. Is it required integer x? No. D dot max. 2 numbers. Over. How many people written right? Okay. Very good. Online students? So 100 also will not reach. In online students, 100 also will not reach. 70 members. See. Okay. Like this you can call. So here without written value, here only printing. It is not returning. That's what you should not write return type here. Okay. And now D dot max. This 34, 42 copied in A and B. So these two values copied here with arguments, but without return value. It will not return. So int A equal to 34. Int B equal to 42. That's it. Now this 34 copied in A, 42 copied in B. 34 greater than 42, false. B printed. They're only printed. Okay. This is second category method. Second category method. Now, one more I'll give. One more. Void add int A, int B, int C. System dot out dot println A plus B plus C. Write this one here by using object reference. By using object reference. By using object reference, just call. Over. How to call? What we are write? Demo D equal to new demo. Next D dot add. 3 numbers we can pass. That's it. Okay. 3 numbers we can pass. That's it. So these 3 copied in A, B, C and printed. Result printed. That's it. It is which category method? With arguments without return value. Okay. Now, third category I'll give. Third category. Suppose integer method name get. Suppose return 5. This method you call. Try to call. Without arguments. With return value. Without arguments, with return value. Without arguments and with return value. By using object reference only call. How to call? Give me answer. Demo d equal to new demo. Next, it is returning. So index d dot get system dot out dot println x. That's it. Okay. So it doesn't take arguments. That's what I'm not passing. It returns. That's what index I'm printing. This is without arguments and with return value. Without arguments and with return value. Third category this is. Now fourth category I'll give. Is it over? Suppose void display. It doesn't take any argument. It doesn't return. System dot out dot println welcome. Now this method how to call? Give me answer. What you write? Demo d equal to new demo. Next, d dot display. That's it. Now if I give any category method, how to call? Can you give answer or not? That knowledge is required. Okay. Write this one. Method without arguments and without return value. So no arguments, no return value. Is it over? Now, no need to write. Just give me answers. Say, which will return float, fun, which will take boolean A, boolean B. Like this method is there. Now, how to call this method? Demo d equal to new demo. Next, return type float. Float x equal to d dot fun. Boolean means what we can pass? True or false we can pass. Okay, right. Suppose return type boolean, method name fun, which will take integer A, integer B. Now this method I want to call. Demo d equal to new demo. Next, boolean b equal to d dot fun, two numbers we can pass. Okay. Like this, if I give any method like this, how to call? Can you give answer or not? Possible, no? But these all user defined. We created, we called. But predefined methods, so many are there. At the command prompt, how to see the predefined methods? Which command we use? Which command? Java P. Java P command we use, no? Java P command. With Java P command, we can see the complete profile. Okay, Java P command. Suppose if you want to see the profile of string class, what will write? Java.lang.string. It shows string class methods. See how many methods are there? So many are there. It is one class. With Java P command, Java P, java.lang.system, system class. Any class. Java P, Java dot lang dot integer class methods. This is all we can see now. Now this information I'll give. Write it. Java P. It is used to get the profile of a class or interface. Profile contains list of variables, comma methods and constructors. It is used to get the profile of a class or interface. It is used to get the profile of a class or interface. Profile contains list of variables, methods and constructors. Example. Java P, java.lang.string. It will display list of variables, methods and constructors of java.lang.string class. It will display list of variables, methods and constructors of java.lang.string class. So any class profile you can see with this command Java P. It will display list of variables, methods and constructors of java.lang.string class. So in a library, some thousands of classes are there. Any class profile we can see at the command prompt. This knowledge is required for advanced Java. This knowledge is required for advanced Java. Okay. Is it over? So at the command prompt, say Java P, java.lang.object, object class profile. Like Java P, java.lang.string, string class profile. Java P, java.lang.string buffer, string buffer class profile. Like this, any class profile complete we can see. Okay. Any class that profile we can see with Java P command. Now tomorrow this library methods how to access, that is I'll explain. Day after tomorrow onwards advanced Java. But tomorrow also don't miss. It is important only. Okay. So tomorrow library classes how to access I'll show you. Library methods, library classes. Because without library, single program also not possible. The library how to use, I'll explain in tomorrow class. Okay. Day after tomorrow onwards advanced Java starts. Be regular. Every class is important. We'll see continuation tomorrow.